Okay, I already started opening the box. I forgot about you guys, but here we go. It's a dehumidifier, a D2 model. It is sold on Amazon, Amazon Prime. You can see it's supposed to do 500 square feet, 75 ounces. Supposed to have a quiet mode, bathroom mode, good for RVs. The RV is 430 square feet. It's a 500 square feet unit, so it should be sufficient. And you can see the price right there. So we're going to unbox it and see what it looks like. When we open it up, it came in a extra box, so it was well packed to protect it, and then it had the factory box. We've opened the top of the factory box, and it has good foam cushion to keep it from bouncing around or getting hit. The extra box will also help protect that. And we simply just reach in, pull the unit out, and you see what else is in the box here. Let's see, if we look down in the box, we have a power cord. We have an instruction booklet. Nobody ever reads the instruction booklet, do they? Well, sometimes they do. And a piece of foam in the bottom. So it is well packed. It's a nice box, factory box, brand new, and it comes in a second packaged piece. Now if we take this out, let's take the plastic off and get a general view of what it looks like. Y'all have to bear with me because you're in one hand and I'm in the other. Okay, take the plastic off the top for the filter and put that up there out of the way. So we have basic sleep, timer, warm, dry, basic buttons. Should be easy to go. Your light's supposed to light up on here, and this container in the back is where you take the water out. This port right here should be where the electric cord goes. If I can do that, put you all down for a second. I don't know what you're seeing, but let's see. There is a nipple. You can see there's a grooved nipple on both sides, so it shouldn't matter which way it goes, it fits in. And then we will take the plugs off, plug it in, push this back in, and let's hit the power button. And that is running on low, and we were going to multiple colors, so we may actually have to look at the instruction booklet to see how to change the colors. Anyway, that's the unboxing for the dehumidifier. It's a model D2. It is sold on Amazon's where I bought it. I assume it's sold other places too. And I will come back after a few days of running it and give you some thoughts on it to complete this video. It'll be a few days for me, a few minutes for you. Bye.